guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Right now we are actually going to do a pressed powder tutorial, and I know I haven't done a lot of pressed powders and I'm going to do the best I can. So with my last post, the powder that I have right now, this is from my last post, and I saw this and this is the perfect powder to do a pressed powder tutorial. And I honestly don't know what's in here, so don't even ask me. All I know, it smells really good. So what you want in a pressed powder, you want dry to semi-dry. And semi-dry means, you can put a little bit of water and then just mix it up just to make sure it holds its shape. But mostly you would want it dry. So what you're looking for is to get your powder and, just like baking soda, squeeze it. And if it holds its shape, that's good. Easily crumbable. So this is already sifted. So the easiest way to do this is to get a container that's really, this is just a plastic bowl that I bought, that's really hard. It can hold its shape, but it's easily, you can squeeze it just a little bit, just so you can get the mold out or the powder out when it's done. So what I learned is I put it in the middle, and again we're going to get our sifter. We're going to put some powder in here. Well, actually, there we go. Just put a little powder in the sifter, put it in the middle of the container or your bowl, just like that, and sift it in. That way you can get, you see those clumps, you can get those out. Pull those through. And this is what you have. So I'm going to put that down. So this is what you have. I like to pull it against get it off the sides and then lightly press. You want to lightly press first, just to get the powder in place. And then once it's in place, then you can push harder and harder. So right now, I'm pushing a little bit harder. And now I'm pushing even harder. There you go. And if it goes against the sides, that's okay. So again, let's get some more powder. I'm going to move this bowl out of here. Let's get some more powder in here. Put the bowl back in your container, and then just sift away again in your bowl. So again, we have another layer of sifted powder. So we're going to lightly press. And now I'm going to press harder. Okay, and keep doing the same process until you fill it up. And what you can do is, like in the middle, if you want to do a glitter bomb like all that glitters, ASMR, what you can do is get a spoon or even your finger, and you're going to put a hole in the center of it. Just like this. However big you want it. So there's my hole, and then I just pack the powder around the hole. So clean it up and then pack it. But that's what you do if you want to do a glitter bomb. Now I don't have any glitter right now, so I'm just going to continue with this until it fills up. So again, sift your powder into your container and then press lightly, and then start to press harder and harder each layer until you fill it up. So I will be back. Let me fill this up. Okay, so I just finished, and as you can see, I haven't filled it quite up, but I used all my powder, and that's okay. So with this, now I'm not very familiar with drying times and what powders work best. With this, what you can do is you can flip this over on a flat bowl or a sheet, baking sheet. Just hold it, flip it, and then slowly take your hand out and then try and squeeze the bowl, and then you can pick it up later to let it dry. But what we're gonna do for this one, I'm gonna flip this over, and it's already come out. So I'm gonna grab the bowl if I can. And there we go, pressed powder. So it's not the prettiest or the best looking, but what we'll do, we'll take my knife, I'll tilt it a little bit, and we'll just But that is my pressed powder tutorial. If you guys have any other questions or concerns, let me know. But I will see you guys later. Love you. Bye.